Sri Guruvayurappan Temple is a religious and cultural center promoting Vedic culture and traditions. Over the many years, this temple has been built with the support of our many patrons and devotees. Some of these successful projects that the temple has already constructed include the Bhojana Shala, the Gol Shala, and the Yagashala. In addition to this, the temple also has the Sri Krishna Kala Mandapam, which can be used by the devotees for events such as weddings, odd engagements, and many others.
The temple now plans to construct the Saraswati Vidyalaya as a way to promote Vedic culture. As of now, there are many different cultural programs located in smaller buildings, such as traditional scripture classes, music, and dance. With the inclusion of this building, there will be a larger venue to promote and teach the arts.
In addition to this, the temple will also have a building used to house chariots and vahanas of the Lord used for utsavas.
Because of you and generous donators like yourself, there have been ongoing projects such as the staff quarters, the main temple, and the Bhojan Shala. We once again are asking you to donate to allow for the funding of pending projects. We want to remind you that the temple is an important and valuable resource for our culture for generations to come. We currently have a youth committee and multiple ongoing service projects on the run right now. As well as that, we'd like to remind you that we encourage you to bring your children to the temple as a reminder that youth are truly the backbone of the organization.
In this time of pandemic, like many other organizations and businesses, the temple has also been struggling to maintain its services and be financially viable. However, with your financial support, the temple will not only survive this hardship, but it will be able to fulfill its promises as a glorious religious and cultural center for generations to come. It is our divine responsibility to donate to the daily sustenance of the temple, as it is a beacon of hope to our community. Once again, we want to emphasize the importance each and every one of you play in the success of the temple. Please donate at krishnatemple.org or call our temple.
It's your commitment and time that will allow the temple to flourish. Once again, please donate at krishnatemple.org or call us on our office.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening. I am Dr. S.S. Iyer, Senior Vice Chairman of HATCC, and it is a great honor and privilege for me to thank every artist and their gurus for accepting to participate in the Margahi cultural event initiated for the first time. It was a new experiment very well organized by our cultural team headed by Guru Krishnan. We also have to thank the youth volunteers welcoming all the artists and conveying the message about the facilities and the various offerings of the temple. These youth volunteers are our future leaders for these organizations. We also need to thank our devotees who enjoy these cultural events in the comforts of their home. In this pandemic situation, it was a good step to use modern technological tools to bring forth all the talented artists to exhibit their talents. We are very happy to see so many young talented individuals coming forward to enthrall the audience with their skills. In spite of their busy schedules with their regular jobs, they were ready to come and accept and sing at this event. HATCC has been conducting the Dharurmasa Puja for several years now, and the Culture Committee has added a new dimension to this event this year with the good fallout from the COVID situation. Again, let me thank each one of you for the success from this year. Gives us the confidence to continue this for future years. And we look forward to more artists participating in these as we move forward in the following years. Thank you, and let Lord Guruvayurappan bless you and your family all the time. Thank you.
Namaskaram. Welcome to the concluding day of the first ever Margari Utsavam conducted by Sri Guruvayurappan Temple. This grand festival features classical vocal and instrumental concerts along with classical dance performances, which was broadcasted on the YouTube channel until January 15th, which is today. At this time, I would like to thank all the participants for performing for us and all the viewers for tuning in and making this program a grand success. Hope to see you all the next Margari season. For more details, please reach out at www.krishnatemple.org. Today, we are very excited to have a Bharatanatyam performance by Srimati Vidushi Sushma Shreyas. Vidushi Sushma Shreyas, Bharatanatyam dancer, choreographer and teacher, was initiated to the divine art of dance by noted Sanskrit scholar Srimati Anantalakshmi Natarajan of Bangalore, and then received extensive training in Bharatanatyam under Karnataka Rajyotsava awardee Srimati Jyoti Pattabhiram of Sadhana Sangama, Bangalore, India. Having also been trained in yoga and Indian classical music, Sushma is blessed to be able to take a holistic approach in her choreography and performance. Known for her captivating abhinaya, which is facial expressions, Sushma has conducted dance workshops and given performances extensively throughout India and USA. Sushma is an All India television artist and the two-time recipient of the prestigious Indian Academy of Music and Dance Merit Scholarship. With fervent aspiration of passing on our rich cultural heritage to the next generation, Sushma has established Nrityopasana School of Dance and has been teaching Bharatanatyam, yoga and music for more than a decade now. In the US, Sushma conducts classes in Bergenfield, Edison and North Brunswick. Now, Sushma Shreyas.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste one and all. You all know that the month of Margashirsha is considered a very auspicious one, especially as Lord Krishna himself has said in Gita, Masanam Margashirshoham. Hence, I feel very blessed to be able to perform for the Margari Utsavam conducted by Sri Guruvayurappan Temple, New Jersey. I thank the Cultural Committee of Guruvayurappan Temple for having provided me with this wonderful opportunity to offer my Nrityopasana, connecting to divinity through dance. I hope you all enjoyed this performance. Thank you. Today's recital will begin with Pushpanjali, which is traditionally the invocatory item in the Bharatanatyam Margam. Pushpa means flowers and Anjali means folded hands. The dancer offers flowers and salutations to the stage, invokes the blessings of the presiding deities and goodwill of the audience. Today's Pushpanjali is in Raga Niranjani, Tala Mishra Chapu, composition and music by Vidwan Balasubramanya Sharma. Dance choreography is by Vidushi Sushma Shreyas.
pagari tagajabu dom pagari tajam 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 tagajabu dom bida pagari tagajabu bida pagari tagajabu dom pagari tajam 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 tagida tagajabu dom bida pagari tagajabu bida pagari tagajabu dom pagari tajam 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 tagida tagajabu dom bida pagari tagajabu bida pagari tagajabu dom pagari tajam 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 tagida tagajabu dom bida pagari tagajabu bida pagari tagajabu dom pagari tajam 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 tagida tagajabu dom nista pagari tagajabu bida pagari tagajabu dom pagari tajam 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 tagida tagajabu dom nista pagari tagajabu bida pagari tagajabu dom pagari tajam 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 tagida tagajabu dom nista pagari tagajabu dim pagari tagajabu dom pagari tajam 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 tagajabu dom nista pagari tagajabu dim pagari tagajabu dom pagari tajam tajam tajam
The next presentation is Ganesha Kautvam. Kautvam is a song in praise of a deity. Revered as the remover of obstacles, Lord Ganesha is always worshipped at the start of any undertaking. This beautiful Ganesha Kautvam has rhythmic syllables interspersed with lyrics describing various attributes of Lord Ganesha. Kautvam in Raga Vitapi, Tala Tishragati Eka, composition of Vidwan D.V. Prasanna Kumar. Dance choreography by Vidushi Sushma Shreyas.
Ganganapati, Ganapati, Ganganapati, Ganapati, Ganganapati, Ganapati, Ganganapati, Ganapati, Ganganapati, Ganapati, Ganganapati, Ganapati, Ganganapati, गणपति 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 प्रणवाकार स्वरूप सिद्धि विनायक रूप प्रणवाकार स्वरूप सिद्धि विनायक रूप ताम तधीम ततुम तनम तताम तक तधीम तुम तक तधीम ततुम तनम तते तक तधीम तुम विद्या बुद्धि प्रदातने गणनायकने विद्या बुद्धि प्रदातने गणनायकने ताधि तुम तत्तुम नम तकति तुम नम तकितुम नरतितुम तरितुम नम तत्तुम जनರ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಗಳ ಆಲಿಸಲೆಂದೇ ಇಹುದು ಗಜಕರ್ಣ 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 ಲಂಬೋದರ 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 ಉರಗಧರ ಶ್ರಿತ ಜನ ಪಾಲನಧರ ಆಶ್ರಿತ ಜನ ಸಂಕಟ ಶ್ರಿತ ಜನ ಪಾಲನಧರ ಆಶ್ರಿತ ಜನ ಸಂಕಟಹರ ತಜಂ ತಾಂ ತಾಂ ತಜಂ ಧಿಂ ತಜಂ ಧಿಂ ಧಿಂ ತಜಂ ತುಂ ತಜಂ ತುಂ ತುಂ ತಜಂ ನಂ ತಜಂ ನಂ ನಂ ತಜಂ ಹುಂದಿಹದ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜ ಪಾಶ ಅಂಕುಶ ಅಭಯಹಸ್ತ ಮೋದಕಧರ ಧಿಗ್ರತುಂ ತಜಂ ತದ್ದಿ ಧನ್ನ ತದ್ಧಿಗ್ರತುಂ ಧನ್ನಂ ಧನ್ನ ಚುನ್ನು ಧಿಂ ಧಿಂ ತದಿ ಧಿಂ ಧಿಂ ಧನ್ನ ಧಿಂ ಧಿಂ ಚುನ್ನು ತರಿಗಿಡತುಂ ಧರಗಿಡತುಂ ಧಿಂ ಧಿಂ ತದಿ ಧಿಂ ಧಿಂ ಧನ್ನ ಧಿಂ ಧಿಂ ಚುನ್ನು ತರಿಗಿಡತುಂ ಧರಗಿಡತುಂ ಅಭಯ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿರಲು ಹಸ್ತ ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಪ್ರಿಯನ ಅಭಯ ಹಸ್ತ ಅಭಯ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿರಲು ಹಸ್ತ ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಪ್ರಿಯನ ಅಭಯ ಹಸ್ತ ಹರೇ ಗುಜಂ ಧನೆ ಗುಜಂ ಧನೆ ಗುಜಂ ಕಿಣಾ ಗುಜಂ ಮೋದಕ ದೊರೆಯುವುದು ನಿಜ ಭಕುತಿಗೆ ದೃಢ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮೋದಕ ದೊರೆಯುವುದು ನಿಜ ಭಕುತಿಗೆ ದೃಢ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅಂತದೆ ತದುನತಕ ಇಂಧನತ್ತ ಜುನುತಕ ವಾಹನ ಮೂಷಿಕ ಜಿತೇಂದ್ರಿಯದ ದ್ಯೋತಕ ವಾಹನ ಮೂಷಿಕ ಜಿತೇಂದ್ರಿಯದ ದ್ಯೋತಕ ಅಂತದೆ ಧನತಕ ಧಿಂಧನ ಜುನುತಕ ತುಂಬುನು ಧಿಮಿತಕ ಸದಾ ನಮಿಪೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಗಕಾರ ಗಂಗಣಪತಿ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನನಾಗುತ್ತ ಯಮಗೆ ಸದ್ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಕರುಣಿಸು ಪ್ರಸನ್ನನಾಗುತ್ತ ಎಮ್ಮರಿ ಸಚ್ಚಿಂತನೆ ಮೂಡಿಸು ಪ್ರಸನ್ನನಾಗುತ್ತ ಯಮಗೆ ಸತ್ಸಂಗವ ಮಾಡಿಸು ಪ್ರಸನ್ನನಾಗುತ್ತ ಯಮಗೆ ಸದ್ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಕರುಣಿಸು ಪ್ರಸನ್ನನಾಗುತ್ತ ಎಮ್ಮರಿ ಸಚ್ಚಿಂತನೆ ಮೂಡಿಸು ಪ್ರಸನ್ನನಾಗುತ್ತ ಯಮಗೆ ಸತ್ಸಂಗವ ಮಾಡಿಸು ಗಣಪತಿ 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 ಗಣಪತಿ.
Lord Shiva is considered as the Lord of Dance in his Nataraja form. His cosmic dance, known as Tandava, symbolizes the cosmic cycles of creation and destruction, as well as the rhythm of birth and death. In the next item, the devotee sings Baba Shankara More Iduveno Prabhuve. She pleads with Lord Shiva to give her darshan, that is, to manifest before her and give his blessings. She describes the beauty of Shiva, who is adorned by the serpents and worshipped by the Devatas, Rakshasas and the sages. He is the beloved of goddess Parvati and the embodiment of Navarasas, or the 9 emotions. Kriti Baba Shankara in Raga Vachaspati, set to Aditala.
Baba Shankara More Iduveno Prabhuve Baba Shankara More Iduveno Prabhuve Baba ತಳಂದು ತಕ ದೇವು ತಕ ತದಿಗೆ ತಕ ತದಿಂ ತಕ ಹತ್ತಂ ತಕ ತದಿಂ ತಕ ಹತ್ತಂ ತಕ ತದಿಂ ಡಿಂ ಡಿಂ ಕುತ್ತ ಡಿಂ ಕುತ್ತ ಕುತ್ತ
The next presentation is a kriti on goddess Annapurni. Annapurni Vishalakshi Akhila Bhuvana Sakshi Katakshi. Oh, the beautiful wide-eyed goddess Annapurna, you are the witness for all the happenings in the world. Please favor me with your glance. Annapurna, the goddess of food, is an incarnation of Parvati. In this form, she nourishes all living beings. In the kriti being presented today, the story of Shiva being served payasanna by Annapurna is depicted. When Shiva, in his Chandala form, had to go seeking food, goddess Annapurna blesses him and serves payasanna, thereby releasing Shiva from the Chandalatva. Kriti Annapurni Vishalakshi in Samaraga Aditala, a composition of poet Muthuswami Dikshitar.
Annapurne Vishalakshi Annapurne Vishalakshi Annapurne Vishalakshi Annapurne Vishalakshi Raksha Akhila Bhuvana Sakshi Katakshi Annapurne Vishalakshi Raksha Akhila Bhuvana Sakshi Katakshi Annapurne Vishalakshi Raksha Akhila Bhuvana Sakshi Katakshi पुरा पुरेश्वरि सदा शिव प्रिय चिदम्बरेश्वरि कपालिनी तत्तति तरिततगत धट्ट धनकतगत झुंडु झुलकतगत हिम्मि हिमकतगत हिंगिन्नतुं तस्मिं तरिकतुं तस्मिं तरिकतुं तां तत्ततिं तरिकतुं तत्ततिं तरिकतुं तत्ततिं तरिकतुं तां तत्ततिको तस्मिं तरिकतुं तत्ततिको तस्मिं तरिकतुं तत्ततिको तस्मिं वंदगाभरण राति पुराणी परमेश्वर विश्वेश्वर भावनी
Is there anyone who hasn't heard stories of various pranks played by Krishna in his childhood? In one such instance, a Gopika, exasperated by his pranks, decides to punish him and ties him to a pillar and goes out. Upon her return in the evening, when Krishna asks her to untie him, she says, "Talu talelo Rangayya." Wait, wait, Krishna. Thus saying, she goes on to describe his various antics. Doregala maganembudenno. You might be the king's son, but that doesn't mean you can enter our houses without permission and order us around. She reminds him of the time when, having waited for the Gopika to go out of her house, he drank the milk from the cow, freed the calf from its ties, and stood innocently like he was not to be blamed. She says if he continues with his mischievous ways, she's going to tie him up again the next day and call other Gopikas too. Yet, even as she is admonishing him, a question arises in her mind. In spite of being the Lord of the universe, why is Krishna going through this punishment like a mere mortal? The next moment, brushing the thought aside, she takes away his flute and peacock feather from him. But then that's just faint anger. Going aside, she enjoys the sensation of beholding Krishna's favorite possessions. Now, Talu Talelo Rangayya, a composition of Sri Purandaradasaru in Aditala Ragamalika.
ಮಗನೆಂಬುದೇನೋ ದೊರೆಗಳ ಮಗನೆಂಬುದೇನೋ ಮವ ಮಮ ಗದೌರವ ಮವ ಮಮ ಗದಮಪ ಸಬ ಮವದ ಸರಸ ಸರಸ ದೊರೆಗಳ ಮಗನೆಂಬುದೇನೋ ಆತುರದಿ ಮನೆ ಪೊಕ್ಕ ಪರಿಯೇನೋ ಧೂಳ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ನಿನಗೆ ತರವೇನೋ ಧೂಳ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ನಿನಗೆ ತರವೇನೋ ಹಿಂದೆ ತಿರುಗಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ತಿರುಗಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ತಿರುಗಿ ಬೇಡಿ ಉಂಡದ್ದು ಮರೆತೇನು ಹಿಂದೆ ತಿರುಗಿ ಬೇಡಿ ಉಂಡದ್ದು ಮರೆತೇನು ತಾನು ತಾಳೆನೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣಯ್ಯ ನೀ ತಾನು ತಾಳೆನೋ ಕತ್ತಿದಗಳ ಮೊಲೆಗಳಂದು ಕರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳುವುದು ಏನೋ ರಂಗ ಅಗರುಂದುಂದ ಮಬ ದಬ ಮಬ ದಪ ಮಗ ಮಬ ಧನಿ ಧನಿ ದಪ ಮದಬ ಮಗ ಮಗ ಮ ಪ ದಬ ಮದಬ ಮದ
The next dance is a pure Abhinaya item, the Padam, having a Swadhina Patika as a heroine. If any woman is asked what kind of partner she dreams of having, the universal response would go something like, to find a man who understands what she wants without having to spell it out. And that expectation is no doubt every man's nightmare. But here is a woman who has found a man who doesn't think of it as a nightmare and in fact truly believes in doing anything and everything to keep his beloved happy all the time. In Natya Shastra, such a heroine is known as Swadhinapatika. The Nayake, filled with the confidence that comes from knowing how much she is loved, says, Innavani Channanu Sampannanu. My Nayaka is the most sweet-natured and beloved one. She reminisces an incident where she tries to make a garland of flowers for herself in a new pattern and gets upset when she fails miserably at it. The Nayaka, instinctively understanding her fancy, makes the decorative flower piece himself and adorns her with it. He is so much in love with her that he doesn't cross the line drawn by her. Oh, she just cannot stop praising him. He is so handsome, soft-spoken and romantic that he comes up with new ideas to always keep her happy. Presenting Innavani Channanu, composition of Shatavadani Shri Dr. R. Ganesh in Raga Desh, Mishra Chaputala. The next item is a Devanama by Sri Purandaradasaru. Noduvude kannu, blessed are those eyes which see Lord Krishna. Keluvude kivi, blessed are those ears which listen to his divine flute. Paduvude vadana, blessed are those who sing his praise. It essentially means your sense organs should mainly be engaged in the meditation of Lord Krishna. The song describes the story of Kubji, a deformed person who took chandan paste to Kamsa's court every day. One day, Sri Krishna intercepted her and applied the chandan onto himself. Magically, Kubji was relieved of her deformities. Presenting Devaranama Noduvude Kannu in Raga Jonpuri set to Aditala.
ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ ತುಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ ತಾಳವ ತಟ್ಟಿದವ ಸುರರುಳು ಸೇರಿದವ ತಾಳವ ತಟ್ಟಿದವ ಸುರರುಳು ಸೇರಿದವ ತುಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ ಗೆಜೆಯನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದವ ಕಳರೆರೆ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿದವ ಗಾಯನ ಪಾಡಿದವ ಹರಿಮೂರ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿದವ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವೈಕುಂಠ ಓಡಿದವ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವೈಕುಂಠಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡಿದವ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ ah